Guys, that's so weird how they can sell one for only $300. Oh yeah. That's $1,000 drone quality right there, guys. Doesn't that sound high quality? What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here to talk about these two drones. I have suspected for years that these are absolute scam drones, basically Temu quality. And guys, on this channel, we know a thing or two about cheap Chinese drones, I'll tell you what. So first, let's talk about where I got these and why I think they're a scam. I bought these on a platform called WhatNot. I'm a huge fan of WhatNot. WhatNot is a place where you can go, you can buy things. Like, it's basically, I'd be sitting here talking to you, I'd bring out a product, and you could swipe on your phone or bid on it live, and the auctions last 10 to 15 seconds usually, and you buy the product. Really cool platform. There are a lot of really cool, legitimate, and honest sellers on there, but the ones who sell these right here get an instant X from me. Now, there is always a chance that I am wrong, and that these are actually valued at $999 MSRP and $299 MSRP. I highly doubt that because these have been sold for years on WhatNot. I have seen dozens of people buy them. I have been banned from dozens of WhatNot chats by just mentioning that they are cheap drones and look just like the ones from Temu. So again, today I put my money where my mouth is. I bought both of these. Now the prices were not MSRP. That is not what I paid for them. I paid $32 for this one and $38 for this one plus shipping. They're basically around 40 bucks a piece. If these are what I expect them to be, that's still gonna be overpaying. So for the most part, a lot of the WhatNot audience has definitely understood that these are not $300 and $1,000 drones. But what drives me absolutely nuts is day after day after day, you will see these for sale in there. I'm not kidding. If you guys watch this video, hop on over to WhatNot, skip through the electronics section. I bet you within 10 minutes, you will see these on a shelf in the background, or you will see them selling one of these two drones out. And they will repeat time and time again. Guys, $1,000 drone, bid, come on, you guys are killing me. But yet if they sell one for 30 bucks, they'll turn around and run another one because they're not $1,000 drones. Anyways, I have ranted enough. Let's go ahead and hop into them. We're gonna be doing in today's video. We're gonna be unboxing them right here, obviously. That's step number one, unboxing channel. It makes sense. And then we're gonna put them through their paces. Obviously, we're gonna be able to pretty much tell the quality, what we do with the unboxing right here, but maybe the cameras are more surprising than we think. Maybe they fly better than they feel. All right, guys, I have a bit of an update. It's currently 1:40 in the morning. I was sitting there on my computer. I had already uploaded this video, and I realized the guys who sold me this drone were live again, and they hadn't replied to my DM, which I will show here. Now, the keen-eyed among you will realize that there is zero response to this, and you can see that I can no longer message them because they blocked me. So they ignored my DM completely, so I went into their live chat, and I didn't use any bad verbal language. I said, hey, guys, can you reply to my DM about that drone you sold me? It was a $999 MSRP drone, and it's the exact same one as my one from Temu. Isn't that fraud? And the guy said out loud, oh, let me check this guy. He must be a troll. And then he blocked me in chat. And then he said to chat, pretending like he's talking to me, knowing he had already blocked me, he said, if you send me your tracking number right now, I'll send you $100. Well, I hope you see this video. This is my call out. I want my $100. And I want you to explain why you're selling these fraudulent drones. And your actions today have proven to me that you know exactly what you're selling. Instead of replying to a paying customer, you instantly blocked me. You gaslit your chat. I just thought you guys deserve that update. I found it pretty interesting. I don't care if I get my $80 back for these two piece of crap drones. But yeah, anyways, back to the video, guys. That's enough talking. Let's get this out of the way. We're gonna start with the cheaper one. Of course, you guys gotta wait for the expensive one. And let's dive into it. So first up, going around the box, right here, MSRP. You ever see DJI do that on any drone ever? Nah, I don't think so. So what does it claim to have? All right, so if we look right here on the side, it claims to have a modular battery, HD camera, optical flow location, a whole bunch of stuff. 360-degree roll. You guys ever seen a $300 drone that cares anything about rolling? No. You see that in cheap toy drones, like the Temu ones. Well, it says it has HD and Ultra HD. Guys, what is Ultra HD? Ultra HD is 4K. I'll put a bet up right now. These ain't got 4K. All right, ages 14 plus, obstacle avoidance, all sorts of weird little warning symbols on them. But I have a feeling the box is gonna be the nicest part of this entire setup. All right, coming into the box, what do we have? We do have some nice thick foam here. Oh, look at that. We have ourselves a bag full of extra parts and an instruction manual that looks very familiar. This looks oddly familiar to one I've seen in quite a few Temu drones. I knew it. I knew it. This is just like the E99 and like 6 other drones we've tested. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look. It feels like cheap plastic. It looks like cheap plastic. God dang it. I was hoping I was wrong. I was really hoping I was wrong. Yeah. Yep. All right, let's see what else is in here. Same exact controller I've gotten in 4 different Temu drones. Identical, absolutely identical junk. Look, it even uses AA batteries. Well, I think we can already see where this is gonna go. And for that $300 price, you get yourself a single 700 milliamp hour battery. So not only are they selling these cheap Temu drones, claiming they are $300, but they're giving you the lowest kit Temu drone you can find. A single crappy battery. At least give them 3 batteries so when they buy them for their kids, they can do something with them. I'm not kidding, guys. They probably spent more money on this packaging than on this drone. We've gotten these as low as about $18. What a disappointment. But again, that's why this video is here, guys. I want everybody to see this, so when they go see these WhatNot scammers, I'm calling them scammers. That's what I'm calling them. All right, guys, we got to take a second to clarify something here real quick. I am calling these drones scam drones, but I need to be perfectly clear on this. I am not calling the sellers on WhatNot scammers. Now, I do believe that most of them know that these are not $300, $1,000, $2,000 drones. I believe in my heart that they know that, but I cannot prove that. That is not a fact. That is my opinion. That said, I do believe that they know this, and it is extremely unethical to do this. And I hate it. I actually had to stop recording and just take some time to sort my words out because I get very annoyed at this. 90% of my purpose here on YouTube is to help you guys find good deals. That is my purpose. That is why I started this channel. That is why I continue making videos in this channel, because I think it is great when people can find a good deal, understand what the actual value is, and that is why this stuff frustrates me so very much. Selling these fake MSRP pieces of crap, call them out. Call them out in their chat. What are they gonna do? Ban you from their chat? That's fine. You don't wanna buy from people like that anyways. There are tons of legitimate, honest, real sellers on there. Now that said, there are honest, real sellers who will sell these, but they'll tell you, oh, that's not the real actual price. The MSRP is not real. Or I've seen a couple shops where they'll sell them and they'll straight up have a piece of tape over the MSRP. Mad respect for those sellers. Actually, I'm gonna throw a couple of links down below to some of the good sellers just to help you guys out. And this video is not sponsored by WhatNot or any of those sellers. This is sponsored by my own annoyance of people selling this Temu crap and trying to claim it's worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. Now we're gonna hop into this one. This is not the most expensive one I've seen either. I've seen them say MSRP $19.99. Now they do not just do this with drones. I've seen them do this with drones, TVs, little screens, projectors, tons of projectors. And you know those are horrible, horrible projectors. All right, moving into box number 2. Real quick, we'll go around the box here. This is called the P19. It appears to have just about the exact same specs here on the side. Yeah, the printing on the side is almost identical. I'm sure these came from the exact same company, as you can see right here, DMES. The biggest annoyance to me is you know this company is like, oh man, we could sell these and pretend that they're worth thousands of dollars. And you know they're buying them in bulk from one of the Chinese sellers. And guys, I don't have a problem with Chinese sellers. I get a lot of great stuff on Temu. When these drones are 20 to 30 bucks, they're awesome drones for what they are. But yes, once again, I mean, let's take a peek. Here's the front. They look oddly similar for one being $1,000 and the other one being $300. They feel almost identical. Their power buttons are in the same spot. They have this same fake obstacle avoidance crap that's on here. Yeah, they have cables, but we've tested these a dozen times. They never work. And yeah, that did just pull right out. I mean, they're using the same factory to manufacture these drones. The batteries are probably identical. How frustrating. Oh, these ones say they're 900 milliamp hours, even though they're the same size. More garbage, guys, more garbage. Look at that. At least you get two in the $1,000 box, guys. So in the $1,000 box, your big upgrade is just that. You get one extra battery and a fake obstacle avoidance thing that's never gonna work right, ever. All right, we already know what's coming, but let's go fly them. All right, guys, we just got done flying both of the drones. I have footage for one of them. The other one refuses to save footage. And I have to say, I might have offended the E99 by saying these were E99s. Because they're not. They're actually cheaper than one of the cheapest drones I've ever tested from Temu. Because they don't even have a place to save the video locally. It will only save to your phone. This one refuses to save it at all. This one just will not save. Although I will tell you, from my phone, it's identical to the other one, so you get the idea. Overall, they fly almost identical in every way. I'm trying my hardest to fly forward, guys. Yep, there it goes. We have a light breeze outside, and they cannot stay in that breeze at all. The black one blew straight into my boat. While pushing forward, it went backwards. Listen, this has definitely proven my point about how horrible these drones are. For the price. Given, I know, for the price. If you're buying these for 10 or 15 bucks and you got a kid who's gonna fly them indoors, that's just fine. But this stuff is not okay. And I'm kind of hoping that some of you guys watching this video are shoppers on WhatNot. And I hope you will start to call these people out for these practices. I feel like a lot of people know, and it's actually kind of funny. So when I'm in there, sometimes I call them out just to see how they react. And almost every single time my message is deleted and I'm banned from their chat within about 10 seconds. If you call out the fact that these are Temu drones, they get highly offended because they know they are cheap Chinese drones. Well, I think they know. I cannot guarantee that they know, but I really believe that they know. Because a lot of these guys have been selling these drones for years. And what's crazy is these aren't the only two MSRP prices they have. There are literally dozens of them. Anywhere from $2.99, I've seen them as high as $24.99. There might be more. This was just for me paying attention for 2 days. So, here's what we're gonna do real quick. I wanna give you guys a couple of examples of drones that are actually worth $300 and $1,000. I have a few, let's check them out. Now, one that I do not have is there are quite a few used DJI models, the mini series. Absolutely phenomenal. You can find them in price ranges well under $1,000. Always a great choice. But here are a couple of other ones that I've had for a while. I've used in a few videos. First up, I'm gonna show you guys the Holystone HS720G. Now, a couple of very, very key differences here that are gonna make some of this stuff very, very apparent. This is a battery from a Temu drone. This is the battery from the fake drones from WhatNot. This is the battery from a very, very budget-friendly Ruko. Do you see the size difference here? This one is from the Ruko. It is 3,000 milliamp hour. This one claims to be 900, which it very well could be. Size comparison, it makes sense. But the Holystone, not Ruko, sorry, Holystone. But the Holystone here has a real 4K camera. It flies great. It has auto tracking, it has GPS, it has all this different useful stuff, and they come in around $200 to $300. Totally reasonable price on a budget 4K camera. Our next option comes in honestly right around the same price, and it is actually built even better. I don't remember the model number of this one. I can put it up somewhere, but this is a Ruco. This thing weighs, first off, this weighs at least 10 times what this weighs. Not always a great thing for drones, but in this case, this is actual quality in my hands. This is cheap plastic garbage that is only good if it's 10 or 15 bucks and it's for a kid to fly. They're not completely useless. They're not totally trash. They're kind of fun to mess around with. They're not gonna fly very well. They're not gonna last. The batteries are gonna be horrible, and the video quality is going to be trash. Hands down, just fuzzy, basically useless trash. But for a kid and a cheap price, these aren't bad when they're not priced at $300 and $1,000. Oh, one more example. This is the battery from the Ruco. I mean, the size differences, it kind of says everything. Now, during this investigation, this expose, I bought a couple, and I decided to spend 1 hour on WhatNot trying to find other people selling these drones. I am very sad to say that I found 9 shops in a single hour selling these scammy, unethical drones. And it frustrates me because WhatNot is such a fun platform. I buy a lot of stuff on there. I actually just got an amazing deal on a 5070 Ti for 540 bucks. That is a phenomenal deal. They're selling for close to $1,000 right now. So that said, you know, just take everything here as my opinion. Just understand that I'm not saying don't go on WhatNot. I'm not even saying don't buy from these sellers. Personally, I don't buy from these sellers because if they'll lie about that, what else will they lie about? It frustrates me. It annoys me to no end. But I still really, truly enjoy shopping on WhatNot. I find a lot of good deals, camera equipment, computer equipment, all sorts of other stuff. But it's just really frustrating when somebody has thousands of people watching his live stream and they just eat this stuff up. So I'm hoping some of those people who watch those streams will see this YouTube video. So I'm really hoping you guys will share this with your friends. If you know somebody who shops on WhatNot, send them this video, guys. This is very good information. And while most of the time the people in the chat understand that these are not $1,000, $300 drones, a lot of times they do go for $30 and $40. But sometimes they go for hundreds. And that's a shame. I do understand at the same time these people on WhatNot are running a business. They are trying to make money. But there are ethical ways to do this. There are ethical ways to sell cheaper products and still make your profit without lying to people, screwing them over, and just truly offending the entire drone tech industry as a whole. And of course, as we saw earlier, the video quality on those drones, the flight quality, guys, they're $15 drones in a fancy box. But on that note, that's gonna be about it for this one. If you guys have comments, if you guys have seen this stuff yourself, let me know down below. Let's talk about it. If you guys see any other scammy type unethical practices such as these fake drones, let's make some videos on it. Let's talk about it, let's share it. Let's try to make sure everybody gets good deals. But that's enough for this one. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.